Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're gonna talk about environment. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Syafis Matika Putra.
And I'm Aprianti Basian.
It's so sad to see how people just throw their trash anywhere. This park is beautiful, but it's slowly getting ruined.
I know what you mean. It's like some people don't realize how much the damage littering can cause. Not just to environment, but to wildfire as well. I read that animals often mistake plastic for food, and it can be deadly for them.
Exactly, and it doesn't end there. When plastic breaks down, it turns into microplastic that get into the soil and water, eventually making their way into our food chain. We're basically eating and drinking plastic without even knowing it.
That's scary though. It's crazy how our action can have such a huge impact on the planet. And it's not just literally. I've been learning more about how our habits, like wasting water or using too much electricity, contribute to bigger problems like climate change.
Yes, climate change is a big issue. I mean, look at all the extreme weather we're seeing around the world. More hurricanes, flood, heat waves. It's all connected to how we treat the planet. And a lot of it because of greenhouse gas emission from burning fossil fuels.
I think a lot of people don't realize how much our daily contributes to that. Things like driving everywhere, using single-using plastic, and even what we eat. I recently watched a documentary about how the meat industry is one of the biggest contributors to greenhouse gas emissions. It was eye-opening.
I saw that one too. It made me think about reducing my meat consumption. I'm not saying everyone has to go vegetarian, but even cutting down a little can make a big difference. And it is not just about food. We need to find more sustainable ways to live overall.
Definitely, I think switching to renewable energy is one of the most important steps. Solar and wind power have so much potential, but we're still so dependent on coal and oil. If more countries invested in clean energy, we could reduce emissions significantly.
I agree, but it's not just up to government. We all have a role to play. Simple things like recycling, using reusable bags, conserving water, and reducing waste can have positive effect. Plus, supporting companies that are eco-friendly can push more business to adopt sustainable practice.
I'm glad you said that. I've been trying to be more conscious about what I buy, especially when it comes to packaging. It's amazing how we waste generate without even thinking about it. I've started bringing my own containers when I go grocery shopping. It's a small change, but it feels good to know what I'm reducing my plastic use.
That's great. I think if more people made those small changes, it will add up to something big. We need to spread the word and encourage others to do their part too. Sometimes people just need a little push or to see that it's not as difficult as they might think.
Exactly. And education is key. If schools, communities, and the media talk about these issues and solutions, people will be more aware and hopefully more willing to take action. We don't have to be perfect, but we do need to start making better choices.
Well said. I'm hopeful that things can change. I mean, just look at how many people have started to care more about the environment recently. It's a slow process, but every step forward counts. We just need to keep pushing and not give up.
Absolutely. And conversations like this are a good start. If we can get more people talking and thinking about the environment, maybe we can inspire them to take action too.